Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps me know when I'm, and my other members know that I'm posting videos like this one. Well, today it's a perfectly good day to make one of my favorite all-time summer desserts. Today we're making a rhubarb cobbler strawberry. And it's been lousy out all week, so I haven't been able to do too much walking in this week. So I thought, well, what better way to, just go ahead and make a cobbler. I'm going to show you what we made. It's all made. I haven't had a piece of it yet. But doesn't that look great, guys? So I already got my thumbnail photograph. I'm going to go over my recipe and show you what, explain to you how we made that. And I'm not really, okay, so this particular recipe comes to you from Katherine Michelle, and I have a link below the video. And so what we did was we combined 3 cups of rhubarb and fresh strawberries. And then we took 2 tablespoons of Low-Carb monk fruit sweetener, 1/4 of a teaspoon of Xanthan Gum, and 1 tablespoon of a freshly squeezed lemon, which we did have the lemon, by the way. And then in an 8x8 pan, we sprayed it with a little bit of cooking oil spray. Then we cubed up the rhubarb after we rinsed them off, and the strawberries. And the strawberries I bought were really, really huge. So I used like 3, maybe 4 of them. And I cut everything up all little small, little bite-sized chunks. And then when I got them in the mixing bowl, I took the 2 tablespoons of the sweetener, and then the Xanthan Gum, and then I put the fresh lemon in it, and then I mixed it all up really well, and then I put it in my sheeting pan or my baking pan. At that point I had the oven preheated to 375, and then for our almond floured crust, we took 2/3 of a cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of Low-Carb sweetener again, and then we used 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and then we didn't over mix it, but we mixed it enough so that it felt like a little sandpaper. And then we put it on the top of the strawberry rhubarb and popped that baby in the oven for 30 minutes, and that was the final result. And I absolutely love rhubarb, and I know it's going to be tasting really good. Okay, so this is our cobbler. It just came out of the oven. It is done. You can see it's really getting thick inside there from cooking with that xanthan gum. So we're going to let that set for a little while, let that cool down, and we're going to have a piece of it. Okay, so I'm back with a spoon. I just want to give it a good taste test. Yeah, guys, huh? Boy, can I cook or what? Now, the only thing that's missing from that would maybe be a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream with a little bit of syrup. But we're going to have a little bit more of that. We're going to transfer the rest into a bowl and put it in the refrigerator overnight, and I'll have it again tomorrow for another dessert snack. But anyways, if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want me to make it something, let me know, and I'll make it for you. And let me know what your favorite dessert is for your summertime there. And let me know what you want me to make. If you want me to make something, I'll be happy to make it for you as long as it's low carb. Yeah, so it was pretty easy to make. You know, I'm sure the macros are pretty clean on it. And it's not like I'm going to eat it all in one sitting anyways. Yeah, but I'll split that up into 4 servings. And, you know, it was perfectly fine for low carb keto and weight loss. And so anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you for all the new subscribers that just recently came aboard. And be that as I said, remember, I love you, God loves you. Have an amazing day.